Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix booking field error on your Airbnb. So let's get straight into the video. So to fix an Airbnb booking field or something went wrong error on your phone, try switching from the app to your web browser. If that doesn't work, then you might need to check if there are any updates available. So open your App Store or Play Store and search for Airbnb right over here. Once you've done that, tap on the application, and as you can see, tap on the update button to make sure that you have the latest application installed. The other thing you might need to do is going to be contacting your bank, because bank sometimes declines international or large online transactions. So contact them to authorize the Airbnb charge. Finally, if none of those work, simply go to your profile, scroll all the way down, and tap on Get Help. This is where you want to simply go ahead and tap on Visit the Help Center. And finally, tap on this search bar and then simply search for failed booking. Now simply scroll all the way down by tapping on the first article and tap on Complete Identity Verification, because sometimes you might not have this. And once you've done that, then your problem should be fixed. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.